Look, it's Susan's Creative. Can we do a collab together, please? Please, pretty please?
Yeah, okay.
I wore her down. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're at Amore Winery with a very special guest.
Susan!
Susan's
Creative.
All right, let's go and see what trouble we can get into today.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay, so here we are again in Amore Winery. Now, of course, Pennsylvania. Welcome to Pennsylvania.
Yeah, it's beautiful here.
This is the land of potholes and cow patties, so welcome. And also, this is a wonderful place for wineries.
Yes.
Wonderful grapes, wonderful atmosphere. So, what do you think so far?
I think it's beautiful.
Okay then, let's go inside and look at some wine. Inside you get to sample these special wines in the warmth of a newly renovated 200-year-old building that radiates that old world classic feel. You can also rent the facility for meetings, special occasions, wedding, receptions, those kind of things. Amore Vineyards started in 2000 with 5.5 acres of vines so that they could grow the wine that they provide to the winery itself. Now the grape varieties that are growing there are like Concord, Niagara, Chardonnay, Riesling, and all kinds of other ones. Now they don't just sell wine here, they also have different goods that they sell. They also do seasonal fruits and vegetables in the summer, flowers and vegetable plants in the spring, pumpkins, gourds, mums, ciders, and apples in the fall, and Christmas trees, wreaths, and special arrangements in December. Now when you go back outside, you see like these nice little garden areas. There's places to sit. And of course you can look over the vineyards themselves. Really nice stuff. And if you're there at the right time, you get to see these beautiful grapes. I hope you enjoyed our time together with Susan's Creative. I know we did. And of course we hope to see you back real soon. And as always, have a great day.